What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm here again with another video for you guys. And we're gonna be brushing through this website. As you can see right here, the website's name is actually called Starrent Miner. Okay guys, so this website allows you to mine 9 different cryptocurrencies. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be teaching you step by step on how you can do this. But before we get right into this video, make sure you've hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to also turn on the notification button so that you miss any updates I post on my channel. Okay guys, so as you can see right here, there are various users mining on this website. As you can see right, they have 8k plus users on this website. As you can see right here, the total payouts are also 600,000 plus. Okay guys, so now, which means that this website is actually legit. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be showing the cryptocurrencies which are available for mine. As you can see right here, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Dash, Litecoin, Zcash, and the rest. As you can see right here, but the popular ones are the Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Dashcoin, and Litecoin. That's the main ones people are actually mining. Okay, the rest are just some other cryptocurrencies which I've never even heard before. Okay, guys, so now that's all on this website. So we're gonna be teaching you guys how you can mine on this website. You first have to sign up for an account right here. Okay guys, so we're gonna go to the sign up button right here, and you're gonna be seeing the next page of this website. Okay guys, so I already have signed up on this website, so that's why it has redirected me to my dashboard right here. So you're gonna be just inputting your full name, your email, and your password, and that's all. You're gonna be signing up an account for yourself on this website. Okay guys, so now they're gonna be literally dashing you a free miner right here, a free Bitcoin miner right here. As you can see here, the plan right here is what is free right here. Okay guys, as you can see, the coin is Bitcoin, and it's gonna be expiring in 29 days. And as you can see, the status right here, it's active. Okay guys, so now I don't really know how this works, but I'm not seeing any balance in my Bitcoin balance right. So as you can see, it's 000. I'm not seeing any mining processes right here, but I guess after 29 days I'm gonna be seeing some changes in my balance. Okay guys, so what I'll suggest you to do is actually invest. I'm not forcing you to do it, but like, if you feel this website is good for you, you have to also do your own research and also invest on this. So you're literally gonna be buying a plan right here. Okay guys, so you're gonna go to the plan right here. And okay guys, so as you can see right here, we have the Bitcoin plan, the Dogecoin, Dashcoin, Litecoin. It depends on the cryptocurrency you want to mine. Okay guys, so now, and as you can see right, the Bitcoin plan one is actually worth 100 USDT. So guys, you're gonna be buying this for 100 USDT, and the daily profit is gonna be $10. You're gonna be getting $10 into your wallet every day. And as you can see, the plan 2 is 200, the plan 3 is 400. Okay guys, so this is literally expensive right here. So we're gonna be checking the Dogecoin right here, which I guess it to be a little. Okay guys, so that's it's the same price. Okay guys, so if you have enough money, I suggest you maybe like try this website, and you're gonna be earning on this website for free. You can also refer your friends and also like get more, like increase your earnings on this website. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can copy your referral link. As you can see right here, this page right here, you see the referral link right here. You just have to copy it, and as you can see right there, it says copy. That's all you're gonna be doing. As you can see right, you're gonna be showing you the analytics of what, like, the clicks and all those stuff right here. So that's how you're gonna be earning money on this website. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Peace.